I did was answer the phone. And then she starts getting all breathy and telling me not to hang up. What would you do? Watch this. Sleek design, I love the colour on it. This colour is very clear. I believe there's a green one as well.
Hello?
I didn't mean to call. I didn't mean to.
Sorry, who is this?
He's coming back. Please, don't make me hang up. Please, I can't hang up.
Just slow down a second. Where are you? Do you need help?
I don't know where I am. It's dark. There's blood. I think he's close.
Listen to me. Just stay quiet. Can you send me your location or anything like that?
I just needed someone, and you answered.
Right, look, I'm here, and I won't hang up.
Promise?
I promise.